So there's a lot of Shiba Inu news today. Let's look at the first one. Robinhood warns it could hurt if interest in Dogecoin wanes. And the commission-free trading app Robinhood warned investors on Thursday that its fortune may be tied to a cryptocurrency that got a start as a joke. So most people are trading Robinhood, and Shiba Inu are both getting those massive trades. So what we're seeing so far, if Dogecoin have such a massive potential, it means Shiba Inu will have a bigger, stronger potential than ever on Robinhood, and that's what's really exciting to be. Be sure to drop a like. What we're going to be looking today is some pretty awesome news. NBA's Portland Trail Blazers to wear crypto logo for the next 5 years. So what exactly does this mean? And the Trail Blazers will reportedly feature the Storm X logo on team jerseys for the next 5 years, beginning with 2021 to 2022 season, which is huge news, and obviously it's going mainstream now. The Portland Trail Blazers, an American professional basketball competing in the National Basketball Association, NBA, is moving into cryptocurrency industry with a new partnership. The NBA announced Thursday that the Trail Blazers have landed on the league's first jersey patch sponsorship program with Storm X, a blockchain company allowing users to earn crypto rewards by completing microtasks or shopping at global partner stores online. So this is big. So let's take a look at this. Obviously, this is going to change Bitcoin forever, because if they're wearing this, these seem super exciting. This is going to be like next to Nike, and I think this actually does revolutionize crypto, as we're seeing more big brands picking up the sponsor deals. They will be wearing this for 5 years, and according to sponsorship experts, jersey patch deals average around 10 million a year, so they paid about 50 million, crazy amount of money. And Trailblazers will also partner to launch their first NFTs based on the game day poster sale or news or blog or whatever it is. But the first platform allows earning crypto cashback from more than 800 stores across 170 countries. So they're trying to go mainstream. We're honored to be the first crypto company to form a jersey sponsorship. With them joining that, how many more exchanges are going to be partnering up with NBA, with UFC, with so many more esport or sport organizations? And the NBA has been expanding its move into crypto and blockchain industry recently. In mid-June, NBA's Philadelphia entered a marketing partnership with major blockchain fan token provider Chiliz and Socios, and that really spiked up Chiliz price so far. But crypto ownership has nothing to do with distrust in fiat. So Shiba Inu is all about decentralization and not trusting the government. But it's a bit different than that. Cryptocurrency owners are generally more educated than the average, according to a new study by the Bank for International Settlement, from what we're seeing so far. So yeah, if you're holding crypto, you are generally smarter than everyone else, and that's simply crazy, isn't it? And demand for cryptocurrency is not driven by distrust in cash or financial industry, given that there are no differences in perceived security of cash and offline and online banking. We can tell preliminarily disapprove the hypothesis that cryptocurrencies are sought as an alternative to fiat currencies or regulated finance. And it definitely does tell you there's big research coming in, and there's other research coming in that cryptocurrency and distrust into money is not connected. But the piece paper also outlines major correlations between crypto investment choices and the level of education and income. That is crazy. You're smart. You're smart for holding Shib, suggesting that cryptocurrency owners are generally more educated than the average. And Ether and XRP investors show the highest education level, while owning a Litecoin was the least educated, with Bitcoin owners ranking in the middle. So I'm guessing we actually rank here as Ether owners, because Ether is a pretty complicated process, especially using Uniswap, and actually buying Shiba Inu coins is not easy so far. But those who are holding Litecoin are a bit, I don't know, not as smart from what we're seeing. But the new report brings significant relevance that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin pose no threat to traditional financial tools, as crypto demand is not driven by distrust in cash. And, anyone calling a threat to a dollar is basically wrong. For cryptocurrencies, this is a big step. This is proof that actually, fiat and both cryptocurrencies can co-live and countries can start accepting them. Now, in late December, Morgan Stanley Investments' Ruchira Sharma argued that the US dollar reign will likely end due to global distrust in the traditional finance, while Bitcoin would capitalize on the lack of confidence. So the research actually disapproves that, and we're seeing, proof with that. So the future is coming, and that's what I'm really excited for. But we got another major pump. So EXO co-founder gets regulators green light for a new cryptocurrency startup. And as we're getting more and more approvals, this is the start of something big. It aims to streamline the integration of crypto services by banks and fintech. So this is the next big step on getting banks on board, on getting marketplaces on board into cryptocurrency. From what I'm seeing so far, Lyrium removes the need to manage crypto liquidity or implement their own security measures, as the solution runs the gamut of regulatory, technical, operational, and security needs. It's hoped that the regulated provision of Lyrium's back-end solution will remove barriers to various neobanks, banks, or marketplaces choosing to enable their clients to buy, sell, send, and securely store crypto. So what we're seeing, some of the requirements demand that Lyrium segregates all customer funds from its own, is subject to ongoing audits, and now they got green lit. So that's really exciting to see. But if we check it back here and we see this, if most users from Dogecoin use Robinhood, that's a very bullish sign for Shiba Inu. It tells Shiba Inu that it has much more potential, and Robinhood is definitely looking at Shiba Inu at this point. But what got me really concerned is for Robinhood. What will happen with Robinhood as Shiba Inu is actually falling down or on a downtrend? And we can see warn investors on Thursday that its fortunes may be tied to a cryptocurrency and revealing its financial for the first time. And I did not have the full access to the article, but I think something tells me that a lot of trading is going on Robinhood for Shiba Inu and both Dogecoin in the future. And that's what's really exciting. So as long as Dogecoin is alive, Robinhood is probably going to be staying alive as well. And that's what I love to see. I love seeing meme coins win. But going back to this is another big thing we're going to be seeing in the future. This is just the start of something big. We can already see the headlines here. 200 million hedge fund pauses crypto arbitrage trading amid market downturn. Bitum to ban employees from trading crypto on its platform. Bitcoin bounces at key range amid hope Bitcoin price will avoid big nuke. So one of the most important things I can see over here, that a major dip to 20,000 is not expected. So that's really exciting to see, to be honest. And if we're seeing that major dip, I'm ready. I'm ready to see Bitcoin go to 20,000. I want to see it back and to the moon at 65,000. One trader says, but the lower levels in general are still in the cards going into the weekend. And you can see Bitcoin being slowly now, we're holding this support, but this turtle is taking its time to going back to it. We're seeing this big downtrend during summer, and I'm definitely excited for more. Now, Shiba Inu actually went a bit downtrendy, but that's not a bad thing. We're going to be seeing a lot more potential in the future. Altcoins slipped from prior strength, beating Bitcoin's slight downturn to hit 5% or more. So we're going to be seeing how Dogecoin actually performs in the future and how Shiba Inu performs in the future. I'm definitely hoping it's for the better right now, but we're seeing some very positive news. So stay safe out there. Peace, everyone.